Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to do a cute little fall look. I saw this picture on Pinterest, and I wanted to recreate it. I am enjoying some time off, so I figured I would do my nails. So I'm taking Curry On, and I like to get most of it off and kind of put it in the middle and then work my way towards the cuticle, always pulling back towards that center so you can kind of see that I have a nice smooth side. Always brace yourself and then come along. I feel like I don't necessarily talk about that stuff in most of my videos because I just put out the tutorials, not necessarily the in-depth how I do it. I do have a bunch of tutorials on like basics, but I thought I might bring it in a little bit more so you can see my mindset. Okay, I'm gonna cure that. I did a flash cure on that, and now I'm going to do my pointer finger. I'll bring it up so I like to push up and down, and then if you notice I'm still bringing it into the center. And I have very deep sides to my nails, so I tend to only go down a little bit, but if you see if I can get that on camera. If you notice, I have quite a bit of open space, but like when you look at it normally, you can't see it. Obviously, I'm still pulling my nail, but let's see if I can do this way on camera. Okay, again, bracing and pulling down. And you can see I'm pinching my sidewall back and pulling down. Okay. Now I can go in and just ease it down. Whoops. And flash cure that. Coming in with my pinky. Again, you can see I touch down to get the gel off my brush, and then I push back. And you can see I'm still going towards the center. That way, if I come down and I have too much on my brush, I don't end up flooding the sidewall. So I'm specifically working on the part that I am working on, and not just like, okay, I want to bring it all the way down, so I just bring it down. Okay. And now I can bring it down. I hope that makes sense. Like, I'm just doing the side where my brush is, and then I work my way down. And there's no way I'd be able to do this part of the pinky up like that. Okay. All right, while I have this color out, I am going to do a second coat. So you can barely see that I didn't go all the way down to the side. You may not even be able to tell. All right, and next up, I'm going to take I Clove You, and that is a nice brown, and I am going to do that on my ring finger. So obviously I don't want to cure with that in my cuticle, so I like to take just like one of those silicone tools, push apparently right into the gel, push back the cuticle and run it down the side, and it comes right out. All right, I don't think I filmed, or it didn't take when I did my second layer of the brown. So I did 2 layers of that, and then I'm going to do 2 layers of this. I cured that one, coming in with a second coat, and for this specific color, you are absolutely going to need a second coat, and I would even recommend doing a slight float of the color. That way you won't have any. Here, let me turn down the brightness so you can kind of see. See, there's a little bit of shadowing. So what you want to do is float that color. So you can see a little bead, just kind of rock it, and then pull it down. Okay, and then I like to give it a second to level before I go in the lamp. So I have this color from Nail Addict, sorry you're shaking, and it's a really pretty brown, and it's quite, yeah, I'm gonna use this because it's going to be easier for me to do the whatever, the lines with it. All right, so go ahead and put some color on your table. Get a striping brush. This is a super thin one, and what I like to do is dab in and then roll. So that is going to fill the brush up but not leave you with a bunch of product that won't go down essentially fine. What you're gonna see is I'm going to probably come off camera. When I go to move, I am actually flash curing. So I wanna go ahead and let you guys know that. So if you see me leave camera, I'm flash curing.
And I've been chilling, watching the ocean with you. Baby up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chilling, kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to
I'm going to take Daredevil and I'm gonna put that over the brown. Now with these types of glitter gels, I like to kind of put it down and then I'm actually going to maneuver it in the place I want it. So just go ahead and get the entire nail wet with, essentially it's the clear gel. Okay, so now I'm going to put it mostly in the middle so you don't have any bulk, but it's pretty easy to maneuver this around. There's the darker brown specks in here, which I think make it really pop. All right, I'm taking Madame Glam's Soak Off top coats. I'm going to Alright, I hope you have a fun and safe Thanksgiving. Thank you guys so much for watching, and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.